The robin never worries when he might see me again. He doesn't fret or check the time, neither does the tit or wren. The squirrels carry on with life, so do the ducks and swan. They love to see me when I'm there, but soon forget me when I'm gone. They never fear they'll go without, they never cast a doubt. Their instincts tell them what to do, they know what life's about. They cross a bridge as each one comes, seem grateful for my seed and crumbs. But if I'm not there, they worry not, they don't twiddle their thumbs or lose the plot. They find their food through natural sources, use their skills when fear forces. But once it's past, they never dwell, they don't settle in a worry hell. We should take a tip from nature, time is something they never waste. They see each moment as a token, but never rush, do things in haste. Take their time to build foundations, with ease will overcome frustrations. They seem to know just what to do, and give little thought to complications. They take their life from day to day, don't harbour grudges, find time to play. They don't waste their time in fear or dread, with thoughts of what might lie ahead. Perhaps we all should take these tips, it might help us to overcome the blips. So between the clouds we see the sun, instead of worrying if the rain has done.